we're talking a little bit about dental health. And the doctor said the other day, and the students, they say fruits and vegetables are really healthy for your teeth because they create saliva in the gum. So we're going to do some roasted vegetables, and I'm going to show you a way that I did them this morning. All right, so first of all, you know, as winter's coming, we're kind of sort of like going into the winter veg right now. We're coming out of the summer and going into the winter. So I have some butternut squash that I'm going to put in the bowl. I have some different colored carrots. That one's full of antioxidants. We're going to have some Brussels sprouts. Yeah, they look good. They're lovely. And I try to keep the vegetables pretty much the same size all the way through so they can all cook at the same time. It's an easy dish to do. You put it in your oven for about like 40 minutes on 420, I put mine on, and they come out to perfection. I have some red onion. Right. I have mushrooms, portobello, but you can use white button mushrooms, whatever you want. I'm going to stick them in there. I have some different colored potatoes. See the purple potatoes, full of antioxidants, red and white. So I'm going to stick them in. Right, I'm going to make the dressing to go on top. So you see all them veggies, right? So now we're going to make a quick dressing. We're going to add some chopped garlic, which I've already pre-chopped garlic. I mentioned this before when I used to start. I always like to have garlic chopped and ready because it makes it so much easier. I have some avocado oil, a quarter of a cup of avocado oil. We're going to put some lemon zest. And be careful when you do the lemons, because when you go past the yellow, the white comes and it's really, really bitter. So just do the very, very top of the lemon. All right, I've done some. But as you see, I'm just scraping the lemon and I'll use the lemon for the rest of the juice. I don't want to get any of that white in there. So it's actually just like a couple of scoops down and it's done. Right. So we're going to put our lemon zest in there, in our bowl. A teaspoon of salt. Some lemon juice. I'm going to need a little bit more lemon juice than this. See my gadget? These gadgets are everywhere. And they're cheap. They're like $5.99.
Oh, they're great.
Yeah, they stop you from getting pips and things like that. So we'll get the lemon juice in there. And we're going to add that. I already squeezed some lemons. And I'm going to add that to the mix. Then I've got some fresh rosemary. Remember, rosemary is good for the brain and memory. You always remember that. And then we've got some fresh thyme. This has all been washed and ready. Just wanted to pluck it off. I didn't pluck it off because I figured I'll do it in class. Pluck it off its bone, the branches. All right, let me get a fork and give that a quick mix up. Some garlic and fresh lemon. And then we're going to bring this back. And we're going to put this dressing all over our veggies. Obviously, my hands are clean, so I'm going to mix with my hands because it really gets in. And it smells so good. It really, really does. So it's very important that we keep our, you know, things that you wouldn't think is very important for, you know, your teeth because it creates saliva. you know, and the veggies are nice and, you know, they're nice and soft too. Now I'm going to put them in a baking sheet pan. I don't want to overcrowd them because I don't want to steam the veggies. I want to make sure that they're, so if I have to do it in 2 lots, I will. I want to, you know, roast them so they get nice and roasted. I always do them ones after. So you can see the sheet pan, all the different veggies in. And then I'm going to stick them in the oven, like I said, for about 40 minutes. You know, I would try and go to the biggest potato or the biggest piece of squash in the oven and see if it's soft and you know it's done. I'm going to put them in there. So that's that done. And we'll go on to the others in a minute. Right, let me show you what it looks like at the end. So this is our roasted veggies, as you can see. See the carrots and the Brussels, they're lovely and glazed and things like that. Earlier on, we were talking about the sweet potato. I wanted to show you this because, you know, sweet potatoes are coming out. And just because, like, they're a different color inside, they're still sweet potatoes. They're very sweet. Just wanted to show you inside of that.
Oh, I love that sweet potato. It's so soft and so sweet.
It's lovely. It really is. I tried it earlier this morning, you know. So, all right, because we don't know what the weather's like at the moment, I did like a ginger tea. I did a ginger tea where you can have it hot or cold. So if it's cold in the morning and you want something warm, you could just have a warm ginger tea with honey and lemon. All right. When I say how you do this is you take like a knob of ginger, about this size, right, and you grate it into water and boil it. Or you can add ice and have it as an iced honey and lemon tea. Alrighty, and so we spoke about sprinkling bits on your tea and things like that. You can also sprinkle some fresh cinnamon